Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your DaZn app. So all you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You just scrolling down here, click on apps. Then it's going to take you to this list and you're looking for DaZn app, or just click on search. Then here at DaZn app, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you scrolling down here, click on storage. Then you just click on clear cache. So then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store here. You click on your Play Store. Then you search here for DaZn app. It's going to show for you like this. We'll find it. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.